Welcome to this guided meditation for activating mental, physical, and emotional health. Find a quiet and comfortable place where you won't be disturbed. Sit or lie down in a position that allows you to fully relax. Gently close your eyes and take a moment to settle into stillness. Allow your body to soften, your shoulders to drop, and gently release any tension in your jaw. Now take a deep breath in through your nose, slowly, filling your lungs completely, and exhale gently through your mouth, releasing any tension. Again, breathe in through your nose, deep and steady, and exhale through your mouth with a sigh. Letting go of any lingering stress. One more time, inhale deeply, and as you exhale, allow yourself to sink deeper into relaxation, surrendering fully to this moment. Before we begin activating the mind, body, and emotions, let's first create a strong foundation by grounding ourselves. Bring your awareness to the base of your spine, the point of connection between your body and the earth beneath you. Imagine warm, golden roots extending from this space, growing downward, penetrating deep into the earth. Feel these roots anchoring you, providing strength, stability, and nourishment. With each inhale, feel the earth's grounding energy rising through these roots into your body. With each exhale, release any scattered thoughts, stress, or tension into the earth, knowing it can absorb and transform them. Repeat silently or out loud, I am grounded, I am stable, I am safe. Stay here for a few breaths, allowing this deep connection to bring you into full presence. Now shift your focus to your mind, the space of thoughts, imagination, and awareness. Visualize a warm, golden light beginning to form at the center of your forehead, expanding gently with every breath. This is the light of clarity, dissolving mental fog, stress, and overthinking. As you breathe in through your nose, imagine this golden light expanding, filling your entire head with clarity and focus. As you breathe out through your mouth, release any mental clutter, doubts, or limiting beliefs. Breathe in deeply, drawing in clarity, insight, and wisdom. Exhale slowly, letting go of worry, over-analysis, and mental exhaustion. Now, gently bring your attention to the space between your eyebrows, the center of your intuition. Imagine a cool, soothing energy there, helping you trust yourself, sharpen your awareness, and embrace mental stillness. Repeat. My mind is clear, focused, and at peace. I trust my inner wisdom and embrace stillness. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your mind refreshed, open, and receptive. Now bring your awareness to your body, the sacred vessel that carries you through life. Begin by noticing any areas of tension, discomfort, or stagnation. With your next deep inhale through your nose, imagine a healing white light entering your body, circulating through every cell. As you exhale through your mouth, let go of any tightness, fatigue, or stored tension. With every inhale, this healing energy fills your muscles, your bones, and your organs, revitalizing them. With every exhale, you release anything that does not serve your highest well-being. Visualize this healing energy moving through your spine, strengthening your nervous system. Feel it flowing into your heart, your lungs, and your digestive system, optimizing every function. Now repeat, my body is strong, resilient, and full of life. Every cell in my body vibrates with perfect health and energy. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel your body fully awake and alive. Now shift your awareness to your heart center, the space of love, compassion, and emotional balance. Place your hand over your heart and take a deep breath in through your nose. As you exhale through your mouth, imagine your heart expanding, softening, and opening. Visualize a warm, radiant light growing in the center of your chest. A soft, golden or pink glow. This light holds the energy of love, joy, and emotional well-being. As you inhale, allow this light to grow, filling your entire chest with warmth and harmony. As you exhale, release any emotional weight, old wounds, or negativity. Breathe in, drawing in love, kindness, and emotional stability. Breathe out, releasing sadness, fear, and anything that no longer serves you. If any emotions arise, simply observe them without judgment. Allow them to move through you like waves, knowing that you are safe and supported. Now repeat, I allow emotions to flow through me with ease and understanding. I am at peace with myself and the world around me. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, feel a deep sense of emotional balance and serenity. Now, bring all three aspects together: your mind, your body and your emotions, fully aligned and activated. Visualize all the energy centers within you glowing in harmony, pulsing with life and vibrancy. Feel yourself as a radiant, whole being, centered, powerful, and at peace. Take a final deep breath in, filling yourself with this complete state of well-being. And as you exhale, gently anchor this feeling within you. When you are ready, bring awareness back to your surroundings. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Feel the surface beneath you. And when it feels right, slowly open your eyes, carrying this renewed energy into your day. You are vibrant. You are strong. You are whole. Thank you for listening.